Welcome back to Legal Tips for Portugal. We are continuing to discuss the promissory contract. Now, we have seen that the promissory contract is probably the most important contract. It is the first legally binding contract. So, once all the due diligences have been made and you are sure this is the right property for you, it is time to prepare the promissory contract. It must be done in Portuguese. After all, we are in Portugal. But most lawyers will do it also in both languages, so you can understand what you're reading. A promissory contract has a number of components. First, we identify the piece, of course, vendors and buyers. It must be a full and complete identification. After all, you don't want to buy somebody else's property. So we will have full names, civil status, and this is very important in Portugal. We will discuss this on a later episode. You will have the ID of that person or passport, the address, of course. We have the parties identified. And now we are going to say that A and B, vendors and buyers, are going to, between themselves, commit to buy a certain property. So how do we identify a property? Well, you'll find it very interesting that properties in Portugal are not identified by address. Wow, this would be a break of privacy. No, properties have legal references. We'll talk more about this on a later episode. And if you want to know more legal tips, please subscribe our page. Thank you.